Good morning students. Welcome back to EVS class. In second lesson we learned about the food we eat. I hope that you are eating healthy food and keeping fine. Are you remembering what we learned in the last class? Yes, let us listen again the food rhyme and remember what we learned.
Food makes you big, food makes you grow. Food gives you energy to go, go, go. Food keeps you healthy, food keeps you well. Food's good to taste and even good to smell. Food makes you happy, food makes you strong. Food's what you need your whole life long. Food makes you big, food makes you grow. Food gives you energy to go, go, go. Food keeps you healthy, food keeps you well. Food's good to taste and even good to smell. Food makes you happy, food makes you strong. Food's what you need your whole life long.
Let us continue the lesson. Today we are going to learn about the uses of water and why it is important in our life. And also we are going to learn about some good eating habits. Can we live without water? क्या हम पानी के बिना रह सकते हैं? No, we cannot live without water. हम पानी के बिना जीवित नहीं रह सकते हैं. What are the uses of water? We need water for drinking. Whenever we are thirsty, we drink water. जब हमें प्यास लगती है, तब हम पानी पीते हैं. Then we need water for cooking. खाना बनाते समय पानी का उपयोग हमेशा होते रहते हैं. Then we use water for washing, bathing and cleaning. Animals and birds also need water. Have you ever seen animals and birds drinking water or taking bath? Look at the picture. Then what about plants? पौधों को भी बड़ा होने के लिए पानी की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है. If plants are not getting enough water, what will happen to the plants? Yes, it will die off or it will dry up. So plants also need water to grow. Our body also need water. हमारे शरीर को पानी की आवश्यकता होती है. Water helps to digest the food we eat. If we are not drinking enough water, the food we eat will not digest properly. So you have to drink enough water. We must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. हम रोज 6 to 8 glasses पानी पीना है. So water is very important and useful. Never waste water. पानी बेहद उपयोगी और अत्यंत मूल्यवान है, तो पानी को बिल्कुल वेस्ट नहीं करिए. Now let us see about some good eating habits. When you are eating, you have to remember some important points. First one is eat clean and fresh food. Means you have to eat always fresh and clean food. Never eat spoiled food. Eat your meals at the same time a day. Be regular in eating. In a day we are taking 3 main meals. First we are taking breakfast, lunch, dinner. For this you have to keep same time. Be regular in eating. Third one, eat with your mouth closed. When you are eating, don't talk loudly or don't laugh loudly. Eat slowly chew your food well. खाना धीरे धीरे चबा के खाना है. Then wash your hands before and after eating. Yes, this is very important. Whenever you are taking food, before and after you have to wash your hands. If you are not washing properly your hands may be dirty or some bacteria or some germs will be there. It will go inside and you may get sick. So remember that whenever you are eating, you before and after eating you wash your hands. So भोजन से पहले या भोजन के बाद अपने हाथों को धोना चाहिए. Last point is rinse your mouth after meals. After each meal you have to clean your mouth. Otherwise the food particles will be remain in your mouth and your teeth may get decay. So rinse your mouth after meals. When you are taking food, remember one important thing. Take only as much food you can finish. हमें हमेशा केवल उतना ही खाना लेने चाहिए जितना हम फिनिश कर सके. हमें खाने को वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. Now let us see the important points what we learn in this lesson. We eat food to grow, to stay healthy and to get energy. We should eat different kinds of food. We get food from plants and animals. Breakfast, lunch and dinner are the three main meals we have every day. Water is good for us. We must drink plenty of water. We must have good eating habits. Take your previous book, the page number 169. Tick the correct answers. Question number 1. When we are hungry, what is the correct answer? You have to tick the correct answer. First choice is play outdoors, B have food, C draw. Which is the correct? Have food. You have to tick. Second one, these help us to grow. Milk and pulses, ice cream and toffee. Which is the correct answer? Milk and pulses. Number 3. In the afternoon we have first one dinner, breakfast, lunch. What we take afternoon? Lunch. Lunch is the correct answer. We must chew our food with our eyes closed, mouth closed, ears closed. Which is the correct answer? B. Mouth closed. Question number B, you have to write the question answers in your copy. Question number 1. Why do we need food? We need food to grow. Name 3 food items we get from plants. What are the food items we get from plants? Fruits, vegetables and pulses. Phal, sabjiya or dal. Why do we need water? What is the uses of water or water पानी का आवश्यकता क्या है? Water help us to digest the food we eat. Write 3 good eating habits. 1. Eat clean and fresh food. Eat with your mouth closed. Wash your hands before and after eating. Okay, you have to write the exercise number A and B in your copy neatly and learn the question answers and the correct answers. Okay, thank you.